Refrigerator. A refrigerator fridge is a commercial and home appliance consisting of thermally insulated compartment and a heat pump, mechanical, electronic, and chemical that transfer heat from its inside into its external environment, so its inside cool temperature below the room temperature. Refrigeration is an essential food storage technique around the world. The lower temperature lowers the production rate of bacteria, so the refrigerator reduces the rate of spoilage. A refrigerator maintains a temperature a few degrees above the freezing point of water. The optimal temperature range for perishable food storage is 3 to 5 Celsius. A similar device that maintains a temperature below the freezing point of water is called freezer. The refrigerator replaced the icebox, which had become household appliance for almost a century and a half. The United States Food and Drug Administration recommends that the refrigerator be kept at or below 4 Celsius and that the freezer heat regulated at 18 Celsius. The first cooling system for food involved ice. Artificial refrigeration began in the mid 1750s and developed in the early 1800s. In 1834, the first working vapor compression refrigeration system was built. The first commercial ice-making machine was invented in 1854. In 1913, refrigerators for home use were invented. In 20 in 1923, Frigidaire introduced the first self-contained unit. The introduction of frozen in the 1920s expanded the refrigerator market. During the 1930s, home freezers are separate compartments larger than necessary just for ice cubes were introduced in 1940. Frozen food, previously a luxury item, became commonplace. Freezer units are used in household as well as in industry and commercial. Refrigerator and freezer units were in use for almost 40 years prior to the common home models. The freezer over refrigerator style had been the basically style since in the 1940s until modern side-by-side refrigerator broke the trend. A vapor compression cycle is used in most household freezer, and freezers. New ever refrigerators may include automatic defrosting, chilled water, and ice cream of dispenser in the door. Domestic refrigerators and freezers.